What's up people? Our agendas for today are kumuha ng fit to work niya, mag-grocery, and third, kumain sa labas. Let's go and let's enjoy! By the way guys, for those who doesn't know me yet, I am Paeng and I am from a small town called Balilan where the Carabaos kneel, and life here is very simple. That's one thing na gusto ko i-share dito sa aking channel or sa aking account. How a small life in a small town could be fun. So I'm currently here sa JBMA Medical Laboratory and Diagnostic Clinic 2. Doing my love as he gets his fit to work document. Dito lang sa bayan, sa mga corporate workers natin dyan who needs a fit to work document they can go para makasave ng time. Magsisimula na kaming mag-grocery while Demi is getting his fit to work document there.
Ay, or itong strawberry pala.
Taray, bet mo pa rin yung Dutch mill?
Makaura, wait. Gusto din natin.
Nagdahil ko vlog kasi ako. Mauna ka na. And acting ako dito namimili. So, isa sa mga sources ng joy ng mga taga dito, or at least ng ating family, is buying groceries. Because when you buy groceries, you have a money. And when you have a money, you're happy. What makes me happy the most is buying things na hindi naman talaga kailangan. Like shopping, just to help my inner childhood. Isa pa sa masayang gawin when you're buying groceries is mag-vlog ng ganito. Tapos magmamodel ka. Eme, kung meron man na hindi masaya sa pag-grocery, yun yung magbabayad na, hindi siya masaya. Leische. Sabi mo leische. Ano pang masasabi nito sa nato, ma'am? Ma'am, bayaran na mga people, let's go! We're already here sa iPlant Cafe. This is located sa Baliwag. Medyo looban yan siya guys, no? Dahil nga umulan, medyo mabaha siya. From there to here, yan ang iPlant. Okay, so when you enter the place, here's what you'll see. From here, here, and here. So we need to choose kung mag-indoor kami or mag-outdoor. Okay, pwesta tayo dito na para bang i-interviewin tayo. It's cozy. Ang ingay, ayun, yun lang yung problem, maingay siya kasi nasa loob siya ng subdivision. Nasa gilid kasi siya ng main road. The name of the cafe is iPlant. So, expect na marami kayong makikitang plants. It's like a nature paradise inside the city. It's very refreshing. Malawak yung lupa nila dito. Based from what I can see, marami siyang uri, maraming types of plant na nakikita. It made the place refreshing, relaxing, and it made justice to the name of the cafe itself. Okay, so I'll just gonna order. I'll get back to you guys kung how was it. So far, I can say na okay to. A different experience, a different kind of cafe. Good. Now let's try their food. Let's have a quick outfit check first. This stuff, by the way, is from DK. The shorts from Mukay, the Chelsea boots that I bought from TikTok. If you're interested, you can find it in my showcase. Just visit it.
Yellow basket, guys!
You can check all the stuff there and buy what you need, buy what you want, buy what resonates. Yun lang. Alright, nandito na ang drinks. So this is the Sky Blue Latte. Legit naman na may Sky Blue yun siya. Oh my God, ano kaya lasa na ito? Ano to?
Hidden.
Ano yun siya?
What is it called then? Eto, botanical latte.
Botanical latte. Wala lang siyang sky blue.
May sab, salted caramel mocha.
Okay, sobrang interesting na itong akin kasi. Bakit siya may blue? Anong ginamit nila sa blue? Ano yung blue?
Touch me.
Yung flower na yan, ginagawan siya yan eh.
Anong tawag dyan? At sige nga.
Oo nga, I swear.
Kainin or not true? Sabi ka kumakain kang gulay, di ba?
Oo.
O, kainin mo yung bulaklak.
Oo, ka lang.
Kakainin niya sabi yung... Ano bang bulaklak yan? Kamay ko lang. Okay naman. Okay. Oh my God!
Nain ko na rin yan last.
Anong lasa?
Bulaklak.
Oh, yeah.
Lalasahan ko yung bulaklak eh.
Yung lasa ng yung bulaklak, ganun lang din yung
Wala siyang lasa, sis.
Sis, hindi kasi ako kumakain ng bulaklak.
Ang
Gawin
dahon
yung ginawa
lang.
ni Sab, sinubo niyang buo.
Ay, wag naman. Be, kagat-kagat lang, ganun.
Lasa siyang
Baka may kasamang langgambe eh.
Lettuce.
Oo nga.
Naniniwala na kinain ng bata. Nakakahiya naman. Let's try the
Wait, ano?
Sky Blue Latte. Hala, nagmamukha siyang matcha. Oh no! Huwag naman sana damo-damo taste. flavor yun sa ano. Ang cool lang kasi basahin, sky blue latte. Ay, hindi. Sarap. Hinanap ko yung other flavor. Malalasa mo yung latte, pero hindi mo
Baka milky lang yung lasa ng blue.
parang milky nga lang.
Baka color lang yun.
Wala din siyang aftertaste. So, ano lang siya, taste ng latte,
Swap muna tayo ng
milky. Wala namang flavor yung sky
Dagdagan ko
blue.
pa.
Wala rin siyang aftertaste.
Kaya
Wala siyang herby taste
Dito kasi
or
nila.
anything like that. Pero masarap siya. Masarap.
ito ah.
Hindi siya matamis. So, if hindi ka mahilig sa matamis, it's perfect. Sky blue latte. Aesthetic ka, performative. Order mo yung sky blue latte as a Libra. Performative tayo lagi. Sabi ko, small town of Baliwan. Pumunta pa sa big city of Baliwag. Kakain na kami. Papangit na ako. Hindi na pwede mabidyohan. After a lot of shenanigans, ito na yung aftermath ng ating buhok. Pongit. Wala pa naging katsupoy. It has been a great experience, something new. It's also a different experience at night. Yeah, let's call it a day na. Pagod na ako, pagod na yung wallet namin. It's time to go home. Once again, this has been Paeng. Follow me for more short vlogs, gay shenanigans, and anything under the sun. Bye! Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bading.